job in North Sydney. Basically, NBN has just delivered the NBN service to MDF frame here on their level. Now they want to get it to the patch panel so they can start their business. So we've just got the cable, and now we've got our Cat6 cable in here, which is going to have the NBN on it, and we're going to patch it into number 24 there, and that's going to be their NBN service, and then they can liven everything up. So if you are an office and you've got NBN and you don't have the cables from the MDF to your patch panel or to a socket where you want them, give us a buzz. We'll come and do it for you. Bye.